Active Parking Assist from Mercedes-Benz is a cutting-edge feature that can aid you in finding the right parking spots, as well as help you maneuver in and out of these tight spaces. Active Parking Assist can help you handle, brake, steer, as well as change gears while maneuvering into a parking spot. With the aid of ultrasound sensors, the system can automatically search for and measure potential parking spaces on both sides of the car, which can be either parallel parking or perpendicular spaces to the road. Active Parking Assist can be active at speeds up to 22 miles per hour while traveling forward. To engage the system, press the Active Assist parking button on the center console. As soon as a suitable parking space has been detected, an arrow display can pop up next to the P icon on the instrument display, letting you know which side of the road a space was found. Bring the car to a full stop, and the available parking spaces will come up on the center display. Select the parking space you want to use and the direction you wish to park. Then, follow instructions. When these instructions are followed correctly, the system can take over and help automatically park the car. For parallel parking situations, the car must back into a spot on the right side of your vehicle. But in perpendicular parking spaces, the system can assist going forwards or backwards into the space. If you want to use Active Parking Assist to leave a parking space, it can only work if you've previously used the system to park there in the first place. Remember, while you are parking, you must always pay attention to hazards and be ready to take over control from the system. Even when Active Parking Assist is turned off, the Parking Assist Parktronic view can still appear on the center display to aid you in parking at speeds below 6 miles per hour. Visual and audio cues can also help you gauge distances as you park. Remember, Active Parking Assist and Parktronic are only aids. They are not a substitute for attentive driving. You are still responsible for safely maneuvering your car. The future of parking is here, thanks to Parktronic with Active Parking Assist and your Mercedes-Benz.